Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just wanted to jump on here to quickly inform you that add-ons is open to all subscribers. Now I know this video is going on a little late, but I still wanted to make sure that I created it for you. I'm also showing you some of the new items that they added onto the list that were different from yesterday. Let's take a look. Now these items do sell out fast, but you also want to make sure you keep coming back to checking to see if there's anything new, because I have noticed in the past that every day they will add a new item as things tend to sell out. Now it doesn't stop there, because on Thursday, March 12th, you'll be able to select your choice for the premium box as well. Alright guys, don't forget, I will always keep you updated, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. This way you are notified of all the videos and spoilers I have for you. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I love you, and you have a blessed day.